Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, I'll be making monkey bread pizza with pepperoni. This recipe is inspired by my summer that I worked at the Pillsbury factory. Well, I was actually their driver at 14. The recipe will be in the description below, along with the links to the products you see me using here. And if you didn't know, we do have a Facebook group called Omnia Oven Stovetop Oven Fans. If you like my videos, please give us a huge thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. It's 6:14 a.m. and I am ready for ooey gooey monkey bread pizza. Let's cook.